Hey guys, I just finished filming the video you're about to watch, but I wanted to pop on real quickly to say, look down below for the link to the new Lamley Daily YouTube channel, something to subscribe to. Won't change anything about this channel. All will stay the same. We'll continue to do unboxings, showcases, you name it. But it's just an additional place to showcase some of the photography I do, other ways to showcase some of the models that may not make it to the YouTube channel. You'll see all kinds of cool stuff from cool brands. The videos will never be more than a minute, most likely 30 to 45 seconds. Just real quick, just real fun. Hopefully you subscribe. More on that later. Thanks, everybody. Hello, everybody. This is a Lamley showcase. This might be a first. Me starting with a package from Amazon, but that is what I am doing. This just arrived. I was in Arizona last week. Came home to this waiting for me from Amazon. It is the brand new 50th anniversary special Amazon exclusive 9-pack from Hot Wheels. I've heard that this was found by a couple of people in Australia. I'm just guessing that was a little bit of a distribution error, but oh well. Let's just open this up. And this is going to be a very simple unboxing. Oh, knocking stuff around. There is the back. Hot Wheels 50th anniversary, challenging the limits since 1968. Some nice art, bunch of logos there on the bottom. And here is the pack. It is different for everybody, but I think the reason that people bought this and the reason I bought it is this model right here. It is the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, exclusive to this pack. This pack is exclusive to Amazon. What else do we have in here? Well, nothing I think to get too excited about. Some mainline, some exclusives. I think we have seen all of these, and if they are exclusive models, or multi-pack exclusives, meaning they'll show up in 3-packs or 9-packs, right? Not 5-packs per se. I don't know if there's any 5-packs that we'd see in these exclusive packaging. I'm assuming this is exclusive packaging. I haven't seen this before. But, yeah. We're here to look at the Gasser, so let's look at the Gasser. Okay, let's open this up. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that is worth looking at here. Not really. If you want to see some of these other models showcased, I'm not going to put a whole video on these, but a lot of them you've probably seen in previous unboxings or anything like that. I can give you some close-ups. I mean, the Moon Eyes is pretty sweet, but we've seen that before. So is the K&N truck. Most of these others, I'm not that interested in. The Mustang's nice, but we have seen it. All right. This is what we are looking at. This is really, really nice. Orange windows. Some people get annoyed with the colored windows. It doesn't bother me. MC5 wheels. This is the mainline basic casting of the Gasser. You know that because the rivet is out front. The new premium version has the rivet behind it, behind the front axle. The rivet is out front. 50th logo on the top. Some cool deco, designed in El Segundo. 50th logo on the side too. E and R, I think that's the couple that founded it, if I am correct there. But there you go. Now, this sold out super quick. If you're asking about where to get it, right now, it was an Amazon exclusive. I assume it's going to be that way. I don't know if we see this one listed again. I haven't heard anything saying yay or nay. This one is going in my Gasser collection. There's some Gassers coming from the 50th Favorites line as well. It's Gasser Fever. So the 55 Gasser is fantastic. And this is another great version with these MC5 wheels. So don't know if this will be available again. It might have to be a secondary market thing if you're interested in it. Because it sold out so quickly. We'll see if Amazon's ordered more, and we'll see if this makes it out. If it does, I will get the word out. I promise on lamleygroup.com. Thanks, everybody. More to come tomorrow. Bye.